My journey with Paulownia Tomentosa. Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. I'm Ferbvu, and today I want to share my experiences and insights about an incredible tree, Paulownia tomentosa. This majestic plant has captivated my interest for quite some time, and I'm thrilled to share everything I've learned about growing, caring for, and understanding this unique species. What is Paulownia tomentosa? Paulownia tomentosa, also known as the Empress tree or princess tree, is a fast-growing deciduous tree native to China. It is renowned for its large, heart-shaped leaves and beautiful, fragrant flowers that bloom in spring. The tree can grow rapidly, making it an excellent choice for providing quick shade or enhancing landscape beauty. Paulownia tomentosa versus elongata. I found Paulownia tomentosa, with its faster growth and vibrant, large leaves, really impressive for quick shade, but Paulownia elongata's more elongated leaves and slower growth gave me a unique and more elegant touch to my garden, making it a bit less common but equally beautiful in its own way. How to grow Paulownia tomentosa? Growing Paulownia tomentosa is relatively straightforward, provided you meet its basic requirements. This tree thrives in well-drained soil and prefers a sunny location. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose the right spot. Select a sunny area with good drainage. Soil preparation. Loosen the soil and mix in organic compost to enrich it. Planting. Plant the tree in a hole that is twice the size of its root ball. Ensure the root collar is at ground level. Watering. Water the tree thoroughly after planting and keep the soil moist, especially in the first few months. Mulching. Apply mulch around the base to retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. How big does Paulownia tomentosa grow? Paulownia tomentosa is known for its rapid growth. Under optimal conditions, it can grow up to 10 to 15 feet in its first year and eventually reach heights of 30 to 40 feet or more. Its broad canopy can spread up to 30 feet, making it a substantial addition to any landscape. How to germinate Paulownia tomentosa seeds. Germinating Paulownia tomentosa seeds can be a rewarding process. Seed collection. Collect seeds from mature pods in late autumn. Seed preparation. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours to enhance germination. Planting. Scatter the seeds on the surface of a seed tray filled with moist, sterile seed starting mix. Covering. Lightly cover the seeds with a thin layer of the mix. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist. Warm environment. Place the tray in a warm area with temperatures around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Light. Ensure the seeds receive indirect sunlight. Germination typically occurs within 2 to 3 weeks. How to propagate Paulownia tomentosa? Propagation of Paulownia tomentosa can be done through seeds, cuttings, or root sprouts. Seeds. Follow the germination process mentioned above. Cuttings. Take cuttings from young, healthy branches during the growing season. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant it in a pot with a moist potting mix. Root sprouts. Dig up root sprouts from the base of the tree and replant them in desired locations. Can I grow another Paulownia tomentosa from a leaf? Unfortunately, Paulownia tomentosa cannot be propagated from a leaf alone. Successful propagation requires seeds, cuttings, or root sprouts. Can I move my Paulownia tomentosa in July? Transplanting a Paulownia tomentosa in midsummer can be stressful for the tree due to the heat and increased water requirements. The best time to move the tree is during its dormant period in late fall or early spring. If you must move it in July, ensure it is well watered and the roots are minimally disturbed. Is Paulownia tomentosa invasive? Yes, Paulownia tomentosa is considered invasive in some regions, particularly in the southeastern United States. Its rapid growth and prolific seed production allow it to spread quickly, outcompeting native vegetation. It's important to check local regulations and consider its potential impact on local ecosystems before planting. Is Paulownia tomentosa poisonous? Paulownia tomentosa is not known to be poisonous to humans or animals. However, it's always a good practice to handle all plants with care and keep them out of reach of pets and children. Is the wood from a Paulownia tomentosa valuable? Yes, the wood of Paulownia tomentosa is highly valued for its lightweight yet strong properties. It is commonly used in furniture, musical instruments, and even in lightweight construction. The wood is also prized for its resistance to warping and cracking. Conclusion: Paulownia tomentosa is a fascinating tree with a lot to offer. Whether you're interested in its rapid growth, beautiful flowers, or valuable wood, this tree can be a rewarding addition to your garden. Just be mindful of its invasive potential and ensure you're prepared to care for it properly. Happy planting!